Good day, kids! Ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang skip counting. Sa pamamagitan nito, tayo ay makakagawa ng multiplication table. Yung mga hindi pa marunong ng multiplication, huwag mag-alala, tayo ay gagamit ng repeated addition. Halimbawa, 2 times 3. Therefore, there are two groups with 3 items each. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. This is how a multiplication table looks like. The number on the left represents the number of groups, while the number on top represents the number of items per group. From our previous example, 2 times 3, 2 represents the number of groups and 3 represents the number of items. Multiply 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Another example is 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Let's start building our multiplication table. Let's start with row 1. What is 1 times 1? 1 times 1 is 1. What is 1 times 2? 1 times 2 is equal to 2. About 1 times 3? 1 times 3 is equal to 3. How about 1 times 4? 1 times 4 is equal to 4. How about 1 times 5? 1 times 5 is equal to 5. What is 1 times 6? 1 times 6 is equal to 6. 1 times 7 is what number? Answer is 7. What is 1 times 8? Answer is 8. Is 1 times 9? 1 times 9 is equal to 9. What is 1 times 10? Answer is 10. Now let's go to the second row. What is 2 times 1? There is 2. What is 2 times 2? Answer is 4. About 2 times 3? The answer is 6. Yung hindi pa marunong mag-multiply, ang gagawin lang natin ay repeated addition. Halimbawa, 2 times 3. Pagsasamahin natin ang miyembro ng dalawang grupo. The total number of the two groups is equal to 6. Let's continue. What is 2 times 4? The answer is 8. What is 2 times 5? The answer is 10. What is 2 times 6? The answer is 12. What is 2 times 7? Answer is 14. What is 2 times 8? The answer is 16. Is 2 times 9? The answer is 18. It's 2 times 10. The answer is 20. What is 3 times 1? The answer is 3. What is 3 times 2? The answer is 6. What is 3 times 3? The answer is 9. What is 3 times 4? The answer is 12. What is 3 times 5? The answer is 15. What is 3 times 6? The answer is 18. What is 3 times 7? The answer is 21. What is 3 times 8? The answer is 24. What is 3 times 9? The answer is 27. What is 3 times 10? The answer is 30. Let us go to the fourth line. What is 4 times 1? The answer is 4. What is 4 times 2? The answer is 8. What is 4 times 3? The answer is 12. What is 4 times 4? The answer is 16. What is 4 times 5? The answer is 20. What is 4 times 6? The answer is 24. What is 4 times 7? The answer is 28. What is 4 times 8? The answer is 32. What is 4 times 9? The answer is 36. What is 4 times 10? The answer is 40. Let us go to the fifth row. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 5 times 6 is blank. The answer is 30. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 5 times 9 is equal to 45. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Let's go to the sixth line. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 6 times 7 is equal to 42. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. 6 times 9 is equal to 54. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. Let's keep counting by 7. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. 7 times 6 is equal to 42. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 7 times 8 is equal to 56. 7 times 9 is equal to 63. 7 times 10 is equal to 70. Let us keep counting by 8. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. 8 times 4 is equal to 32. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. 8 times 8 is equal to 64. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. On the 9th line, we have 9 times 1 is equal to 9. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. 9 times 8 is equal to 72. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. 9 times 10 is equal to 90. Congratulations, we have built our own multiplication table. You can make your own multiplication table too. Upang kayo ay maging mahusay sa mathematics, kailangan ugaliing mag-practice every day by skip counting. In skip counting by 2, you are actually increasing the number by 2. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. After 2 is number 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Keep on counting until you reach column 10. Be sure that the answer is ending in 0. In skip counting by 3, all you have to do is increase that number by 3 at a time. Now we have completed our multiplication table. The following is another example of creating your own multiplication table. This time it is from top to bottom. Unlike the previous example, we have from left to right. Okay. Mahal kong mga magulang at kababayan, kapansin-pansin ang pagbagsak ng kalidad ng edukasyon ngayon na mas lalong pinalala ng mahabang pandemya. Huwag nating hayaang lumala pa ito, bagkus tulungan natin ang gobyerno upang matugunan ang kakulangang ito. Sino ba ang makikinabang sa bandang huli? Kundi ang ating mga kabataang maiiwan pagdating ng araw. Makisali! Isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children upang mas lalo silang masanay sa pagbabasa. Come and join us! Those interested parents, groups, or teachers, you may search the Facebook with the IVFC Early Learners Info page. Please join us.